first human, perhaps, because you are our first piece of evidence. Let's begin. Every human who has ever lived begins here. One shared biological blueprint. Not a person. A path investigation is waiting to be understood. Let's reconstruct the first human. Every cell, every system working together. One extraordinary human blueprint. Before we ask who Adam was, we must ask what humanity already is. Every great investigation begins with one
honest question.
Biology will speak. Our task isn't to defend an idea. Our task is to follow the evidence. Let's begin. Look closely. This is our first piece of evidence. Humanity.
We look different. Different faces, different cultures, different languages. We all beat, we seeing to one human beginnings.
So, what exactly is DNA? Why of DNA as your body's
Instruction library. Every cell uses it.
It's carried from one generation to the next. Then how does it store all that information? DNA holds instructions. But how?
Of these, like letters.
Not words. That build.
That's a human body, the order.
So each generation.
If every person inherits DNA, we should be able to compare it. So,
how do scientists compare DNA?
they place one DNA sequence beside another. Then they compare.
They're looking matched.
Exactly. The more that matches the relationship.
Now, so what pattern does humanity actually show? If our DNA is so similar, why do we look so different? Humanity spread across the world yet remained one humanity.
Because small changes can produce the
Hey, skin little part.
Then
Then how similar are we really? Take a moment, just look. What do you notice?
most of it matches. Only small parts are different.
So the differences.
Small enough that scientists can measure them. That's what makes possible.
One pattern shared. Then what does that pattern tell us? We've measured. Now, what is it actually telling us?
The evidence shows remarkable variation.
And the both are true.
Exactly.
One humanity is expressed immensely, and many tell us. Every tool has limits. Does DNA have limits too?
Yes, DNA can.
Why quagga tell us?
DNA alone cannot explain culture or human behavior.
That's why every witness matters. Then let's meet the next witness. We've studied the instructions. Now, look.
Every healthy human shares the same basic body plan.
No matter where we come from, see, one bone seen how this remarkable body actually built. One body built from
no cell, billions
of living cells. They gather.
And those into tissues.
Exactly. Many parts.
Tissues become organs.
Tissues work together, organ become as one. Then what keeps all of this working together? It's beautiful, but look, works alone.
The brain sends a signal. The body
one signal
starts.
Every system, all of it.
Communicates.
Every system. So this isn't just a body, one living system. We've followed the evidence by piece.
Piece. Every discovery has added another layer.
Together they tell one human story. Now, let's discover what history has preserved. Our next witness is archaeology.
DNA tells us about archaeology studies the evidence people left behind.
So, what survives after thousands of years? Stone, bone, waiting to be uncovered. It's just a stone.
Not anymore. Now it's evidence.
How can
one object's shape, its wear, its location? Objects become voice when they're read carefully.
Then let's find out how old this voice is.
Can we really know how old
this is?
From the object, everything around it.
So the ground is evidence too.
The soil.
Then concept gives discover nearby objects.
They all what the earth has story.
So, what survives the passing of time?
Stone tools, ancient fires, human remains, objects people left behind.
Exactly.
Each discovery adds another.
History is uncovered one discovery at a time. Then let's examine our first human witness. These are more than bones.
Every skeleton holds clues. if we know how to read them. Height, injuries,
Every life leaves its mark.
sometimes even daily life.
Then let's see what this person can teach us. So, where do investigators begin?
With observation, every bone has something to say. Exactly, different bones, different clues. Healing, each one adds another clue.
A life remembered through what story does this person tell? So, what kind of person was this?
The evidence shows a real person, living, working, surviving.
Exactly, not just.
Every clue brings us closer to their life.
Then how far back does this story go? One site becomes many. How far does it lead?
Each discovery connects to another. Together, they build a timeline.
Many places, one human story. Then, let's follow the trail to its beginning. Every discovery leads to another.
We're following, step by step.
And every step we never takes us
Further back, the past never reveals itself all patiently.
Leads where it takes us. We've arrived at one of the oldest known sites.
Look close. Stone tools, ancient fires, animal bones with signs of careful cutting. No, so people wasn't just one moment, again and again.
Places become homes, then how much further can we go? The trail is changing.
Time doesn't preserve everything.
So there comes a point where archaeology can no further.
For every witness, speaking of reach,
Only for archaeology its limit. Where do we look next? Archaeology has shown us a great deal.
it answered every question it could.
And for the questions it cannot answer?
A good investigator finds the next witness.
Truth often speaks through many voices. Then, let's meet our next witness. People leave objects, but they also...
When writing appeared, history gained another witness.
So exactly, some people record...
Preserve what they believed had happened. Investigators examine them.
Civilizations remember, then which record takes us closest to the beginning?
Humanity remembered its beginnings.
In different cultures, preserve different accounts is a witness. So,
We're listening.
does an investigator to every witness.
Then Wisting lists their claims.
Then, before the compassion,
Before we compare the witnesses, we need a fair method.
The same questions must be asked of every account.
No favorites.
A fair investigation uses one standard for every witness.
Truth doesn't fear, let the evidence examine us. Not every ancient record answers our question.
We're looking for records that describe human beginnings.
So these are a key witness.
Exactly. Now we can examine their claims.
A clear question reveals the right witnesses. Then let's hear their testimony. Is the date of composition the only factor we need to consider?
Chronology matters, but is only one part of investigation. We must avoid suggesting that age alone determines reliability.
Every witness in its historical setting. Before we test its claims, we must...
Observation always comes evaluation.
So,
Our first task
Is simply-
exactly. Every witness deserves to be heard. Accurate.
understanding, let the witness wismak. Every witness makes a claim. Our task is to understand it.
We ask who, what, when.
Only we and we
Enough.
test.
Exactly.
Understanding all a careful reader, what does this witness before actually say? Our first task isn't to agree, it's to identify the claim.
This witness begins with one central claim.
Exactly, humanity has.
Now we ask whether the evidence supports that claim.
Then every investigation begins with one clear evidence question. We've heard every witness. Now we ask one question.
They support one another.
Do they independent witnesses agree that matters?
Exactly. Independent voices
Carry a greater weight. Then let's see what picture they create. We still don't know who, but we're learning what.
Every witness adds another feature to the profile.
So the profile, the evidence.
Exactly. We don't invent it, we discover it.
Then let's finish person one clue at the time. Piece by piece, the picture has emerged.
Every witness added together, they describe one profile. Not a theory, a profile built from evidence. Exactly.
Known truth is few witnesses are completed of the clear. I know who this profile belongs to. One investigation, one humanity, or every witness, together, they describe the Bible calls Adam.
The profile came from the evidence.
Now, what do you think? One final question
How tall might Adam have been?
If the earliest world was very different, it's reasonable to investigate whether early humans were larger too.
The evidence invites further exploration. Another question, what might?
Human genetics strongly support one human family. Early populations were likely adapted to strong sunlight.
Difference. Tell the story, not separate origins.
Perhaps our greatest wasn't about Adam.
It was about us. Every culture, one humanity.
The evidence points to one remarkable family. Perhaps it's time we remembered that.